Hello! So in this video for Knowledge Discovery task number 5, we're going to be exploring the Point of Sale app. So Point of Sale handles the process of selling products to customers at checkout stations and returning items at a store. So we're going to kind of go over every link and button to see what we can really do in this app. It is fully integrated with the inventory and accounting apps, which is super helpful. We're also going to start a new session for a Point of Sale and check a few items out. So we're going to talk about what changes we made and what settings you can change in the configuration. So as for now, I already opened a new session. So we're going to go ahead and explore the session. We're going to continue selling in this session. So let's see, open the session. So let's see what we can do. Okay, so for this conference chair, which is all aluminum, we can go ahead and see some information about it. So the price it is, the cost for us, and the profit margin. So 100% profit margin. We have 28 total units available, 28 total forecast. Let's see. So our total margin is 100%. So let's actually sell 4 of this. Let's see this one. Let's hit information. So again, 100% profit margin. Let's sell. I already have the 2. 4. Oh, let's go back. So 4 of these. Let's see for the office chairs. Ooh, so our profit margin's only $8, which is not as good as the other ones. Our cost to make it is $55, and our cost to sell is $63. Let's sell 2 of those. Oh, this one we're actually losing money. So it cost us $180 to make it, and our price is $108. So that is not the best option. Let's go ahead and delete that. We do not want that one. So let's go ahead and process what customer it's for. It is for Tom. So we're going to set him as our customer. So let's go over our quotes and our orders. So it looks like there is nothing set up from before. I'm going to go ahead and process the payment. So we're going to use the cash. We're going to create the invoice and we're going to go ahead and validate it. So now we're going to send him the email of his total, and he paid cash, so there's no change. We didn't do any taxes. We went ahead and sent it by email, so you can go ahead and see. We can then see the order was done. So here is one complete order, and we can go ahead and create a new order. We can go ahead and go back. Let's see. We can go ongoing orders. So there's no ongoing orders. There's no payments. There is 2 that came up as paid. So this was a previous one I did for Allison. She did not purchase any office chairs. She only wanted 2 conference chairs, 4 total conference chairs, 2 steel and 2 aluminum, and her total was $130.32. Let's see, cash in. We can go ahead and see the cash in and cash out. So that's going to be, let's see, the cash in, we just put in $384.64 because Tom Ruiz just paid with cash. So let's see. Go ahead and go back. Oops. Okay. We're going to go ahead and close this out. My bad. Okay. So let's go ahead. He gave us $300. 4 20s. Okay, so he already gave us the exact account, the exact cash, so we have no difference. So we're gonna keep, we're gonna close session. And we can go ahead and see that we have our cash balance and all of that all set. So let's see what settings we can change for the configuration. So we can change point of sale. Okay, so we can change product configuration, category pictures, start category, limited partner loadings, customer notes, restricted product categories, and large scroll bars. So this is really beneficial for adding new products. If we want to offer new products, include new pictures. If we're not happy with some old pictures that we have, then we can go ahead and change that. And some limited partner loadings, so we can offer some more things, which is pretty helpful. It's really also nice here. We can also change like the payment option. So like if we only wanted to do certain types of coins, like say if we wanted to include $1, let's go ahead and do that. Oh, sorry. 1.00. We can go ahead and enter $1, and we can go ahead and save that. So now, oh, we already had $1, my bad, but you can go ahead and like enter whatever you want. And we're all set for the point of sales. So thank you so much for listening, and that is it for the knowledge discovery task number 5, exploring point of sale app.